The Jeep has to go into the shop today because it's burning something. What's up, YouTube? I'm back. It's been a while, a few weeks. I apologize. Haven't had my laptop for a few weeks. Got it back so I can edit stuff now. Anyways, two things. One, yesterday I quit my job. Best decision I ever made. I don't have another one yet, but I don't even care. Number two, the Jeep has to go into the shop today because it's burning something. Couldn't tell you what it is. It smells like it could be oil mixed with rubber, so I don't even know what that would be. But yeah, so I'm gonna take it in today. Hopefully they can just look at it and be like, oh, it's simple, we fixed it, here's your Jeep back. And not, we have to keep it, here's a loaner. Because that would really suck. Because I'm sick of having to switch car seats and have something else that's not my Jeep. As you know, it's like your car, you just want your car, you know what I mean? So, anyways, but yeah, we're gonna do that today. And she is dirty. Good Lord.
Look at that. That's disgusting. That is just disgusting.
Unbelievable. You disgusting, filthy pig. You need a bath. So bad. So, anyway. But yeah. So, whenever I drive it for longer than 10 minutes or so, and you stop at a stoplight, anything like that, if I pull up in my driveway and I just park it for 30 seconds, let it run, you can really start to smell it inside, especially on the passenger side. And when you get out, you can smell it on the passenger side as well. So that's the side where they replaced the head, so I don't know what that would be. And there was one time that I popped the hood and you could actually see smoke coming from the headers. So I don't know if there's like a small little drip. But every time I've checked the oil's been fine. So I don't know what that would be. But yeah, we'll have to see what they say. Don't really have a choice at this point. So, and there was a wire that's disconnected that was never reconnected after I got the, you know, when it was in the shop for however many weeks it was in there. I found a loose ground wire that's just hanging. It's not connected to anything. So I'm gonna have them take a look at that, and we'll go from there. So let's get to it. Hey, look, we're here. We're here again. Hopefully this is the last time ever. Because I don't want to keep bringing my Jeep back to get it fixed. Mate, service. Oh, dang, they got a red interior in those minivans? That's sick. Let's get it. All right, we're officially out of the SRT into the loaner. All right, we are officially in our loaner, which is a 2020 Grand Cherokee. Not an SRT, but that's quite all right. And we are going to, let's see. See what kind of gas mileage it gets. Seems to have pretty good pickup so far, but we'll see. So they are gonna diagnose the car. I showed them where the loose ground wire was, so they'll get that taken care of. They said obviously if it's something related to the head being replaced, they're not gonna charge me for it, which I would assume that would have been the case. And I think it is something to do with the head. I don't think it's something different because it started happening as soon as I got the car back, like within a day, and you can see it smoking from where the head and the header are. So I don't know, we'll see what happens. But yeah, until then, this will be the loaner. I'm just glad that it's another Grand Cherokee, because car seats fit in the back for my kids. Like, I'm just used to driving one, so it makes it kind of easy. And then they, of course, had to joke around, because I've been here so many times. They know that I hate minivans, so the first 4 cars that they said that they had available were all minivans. And then they said, we're just kidding, we have a Grand Cherokee. And I said, okay, you guys are mean. So at least that was fun. But we're heading home now, and then we wait and we see what happens. Hopefully it's not too long till I get it back, and yeah, we'll go from there. Also, side note, for anybody that's watching this that is that's a bass head, I ordered some fun things with my stimulus check, and I did pay off some stuff, so don't worry about, oh, you just blew all your money. Well, I sort of did. But I bought 2 15s and a 2,000 watt amp from Scar Audio, and my neighbor's going to be building a custom box out of oak pressed plywood or something like that. I forget the exact name of the stuff, but it's going to be an oak finish, and he's going to stain it, so it's not going to be a carpeted box. It's going to be like a custom, nice looking wood box that's going to fit pretty snugly in the back, and it should sound pretty loud, because I did have 2 15s in my trunk last summer in a smaller box. It was too small for the subs, and it still pounded really hard. So I'm thinking this will probably hit harder, and I really can't turn the amp up crazy, because then it draws too much power and the radio shuts off. So yeah, but either way, it should spank pretty hard. And yeah, hoping to get that in within the next couple of weeks here and go from there. So that's what we got going. Car's in the shop again. 121,000 miles on it now. Rolled over that last week. Once I get it back, should be doing the sound system as soon as my neighbor gets that box built, and looking for another job. So, but I'm talking to somebody tonight. We'll see how that goes, about a potential union job. Yeah, so hope you guys are all staying safe during this COVID-19 pandemic, and you guys are keeping your 6-foot distance, doing all sorts of stuff like that. You know, hand sanitizer, washing your hands, you nasties. You should have been washing your hands anyway. I hope you guys are doing that. Yeah, and just stay safe. Hopefully this ends soon and we can get to car season. I know a couple people have been doing car meets anyways. You guys just need to be safe. That's all I can say. Just be safe, be smart. Yeah, so, and I've been thinking about, if this hopefully this blows over soon, but if by summer we're doing car meets again, I want to do a local slow SUV club event. If anybody that doesn't know, I run a page on Instagram called Slow SUV Club. Haven't really been active on it in the last couple of months, just because of everything that's been going on with the Jeep and everything else. But basically it's fast SUVs, so it's ironic. But I want to host one of those events maybe once or twice this summer, find a place to do it and set it up and get it done. So hopefully that pans out. But hope you guys are having a great day. Stay safe, and we'll catch you next time.